My dear brothers and sisters, when you look at the life of Saint John, there are two things that stand out by which we can follow or imitate. One is as a person of fidelity, faithful to the calling of the Lord. We know that when Jesus was arrested by his own Jews' enemies, all the disciples fled for their lives, but he remained faithful to the very end. The gospel account that we heard prior to is the scene where John is standing at the foot of the cross along with the mother of Jesus. That shows his love for Jesus till the very end. The other point we can reflect upon is his faith. Time and again, Jesus told disciples about his passion, about his death, and more about his resurrection. On the third, he will rise again. None disciples, so-called, believed what it meant, resurrection. And we heard Peter went in, saw the clothes there, but did not believe that the Lord had risen. But he went in, he saw, and he believed that his master had risen. In life, as we live along, we come across difficulties, and our faith is tested. Our fidelity is tested. And at times we falter. Let's have John for us the example to tell us when the difficulties come in our life, however great they may be, the Lord is always faithful, and we are always called to be faithful to the very end.